20 years, no plumber. One simple trick I do twice a month. You know that moment when you're standing in the shower and the water starts pooling around your feet? Or the kitchen sink takes forever to drain, and there's that smell, that slow, creeping bacterial smell coming up from the pipes? That's not bad luck. That's months of grease, hair, food scraps, and debris quietly coating the inside of your pipes. And most people's solution is to ignore it until it becomes a full blockage in an expensive call-out. Here's a better way. Every time you use your sink, a little grease sticks to the pipe wall. Then a little more. Hair catches on it. Food scraps follow. Over weeks and months, the pipe narrows from the inside. And you won't notice until the water stops draining properly. By then, bacteria have moved in, and that's where the smell comes from. The fix isn't complicated. You probably have everything you need at home right now. Start with a small container. Add a good squeeze of dish soap. This is your grease cutter, the thing that breaks down the fatty buildup clinging to your pipe walls. Next, add a tablespoon of table salt. It works as a mild abrasive, scrubbing the inside of the pipe, and it slows bacterial growth in the process. Then pour in a generous splash of white vinegar. Vinegar dissolves grease and acts as a natural antiseptic, killing off the bacteria responsible for that drain smell. Mix it all together. You'll notice it thickens. That's exactly what you want. A thicker mixture clings to the pipe walls longer and gets more done. If it's too thick, add a small amount of water and stir until smooth. Do this before bed. That part matters. First, drop a tablespoon of baking soda straight into the drain, then slowly pour in your mixture. The moment the baking soda meets the vinegar, you'll see it, fizzing, bubbling, pushing its way down into the pipe. That reaction is doing the work, breaking down grease and loosening buildup from the inside out. Now leave it. Go to sleep. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, fill the sink almost to the brim with hot water, then pull the plug all at once. That sudden rush of hot water creates a pressure flush. It blasts everything the mixture has loosened, straight through the pipe and out. What's left is a clean, clear, odor-free drain. This isn't a miracle cure for a pipe that's already completely blocked by something solid. If you've got a serious clog, you may still need a plumber for that one. But for maintenance, for keeping your pipes clear, smell-free, and flowing properly, this is all you need. Do it twice a month, and blockages become something that happens to other people. 20 years, no plumber. That's the proof. If this was useful, share it with someone who's been ignoring their drains. And subscribe if you want more straightforward fixes that actually work. And I will see you in the next video on Stop Buying Bug Spray. This 3-ingredient mix kills cockroaches dead.